Hello students, this is a Maths worksheet 33. This is a revision worksheet of chapter number 3, Playing with Numbers. In this worksheet, we will revise about divisibility rules and SCF and LCM. Here divisibility rules, a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even, and divisible by 3, the sum of digits is divisible by 3. If the number divisible by 4 if the last two digits from a number, that is number divisible by 4. Divisible by 5 if the last digit is a 5 or 0. Number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Number divisible by 7 if you can double the last digit and subtract it from the rest of the number. The number should be divisible by 7 with no remainder. Number divisible by 8 if the last three digits from a number, that is divisible by 8. Number divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. Number divisible by 10 if the number ends in 0. Divisibility rule of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits in odd places and the sum of its digits in even places, starting from the unit place, is either 0 or a multiple of 11 or divisible by 11. So the whole number divisible by 11. Now students, here I saw some examples related to divisibility rules. And here the question number 1, test the divisibility of the number 8652 by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 11. So first we check divisibility by 2. Divisibility rule of 2 say that if the unit digit or a large digit of a number is even or divisible by 2, so the whole number divisible by 2. So here the large digit is 2 here. So we say that yes, number 8652 divisible by 2. Now divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3 say that if the sum of all digits, if this number having 4 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, so the sum of all 4 digits if divisible by 3, so the whole number 8652 is divisible by 3. So first we add these all 4 numbers 8652, 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 give 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 gives sum 21, because 5 plus 2 7 and 7 plus 6 13 and 13 plus 8 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. 3 sevens are 21. So we say that yes, number 8652 is divisible by 3. Now we check divisibility by 4. So the divisibility rule of 4 say that if the number, the last two digit of the number is divisible by 4, so the whole number divisible by 4. Number 8652 and the last two digit 52, and 52 divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12, 13 times. So we say that yes, number 8652 is divisible by 4. Now check divisibility by 5. Divisibility rule of 5 say that if number having unit digit 0 or 5, so the whole number divisible by 5. So here this number having unit digit 2, so we say that no, the number 8652 is not divisible by 5. Now divisibility rule of 6. Divisibility rule of 6. Divisibility rule of 6 say that if a number is divisible by 2 or 3, so the whole number divisible by 6. So here the number is divisible by 2 and also 3. Number divisible by both number. So we say that yes, number 8652 is also divisible by 6. Now divisibility by 8. Divisibility rule of 8 say that if the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, so the whole number divisible by 8. So here the last 3 digits in 8652, last 3 digits 652 is not divisible by 8. So we say that no, the number 8652 is not divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. Divisibility rule of 9 say that if the sum of all digits is divisible by 9, so the whole number divisible by 9. So here first we get the sum of the number 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2, and the sum of all 4 digits is 21, and 21 is not divisible by 9. So we say that no, the number 8652 is not divisible by 9. Now we check the divisibility of a number by 11, 8652. So first we add digits in odd places. 2 in odd place and 6 is also in odd place. So we add 2 plus 6, we get 8, and 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8, we get 13 here. Now in this rule, first we add sum of odd places digit is 8 and sum of even places digit is 13. So now we find difference. So 13 minus 8, we get 5 here, and 5 is not divisible by 11. So we say that no, the number 8652 is not divisible by 11. Example number 2. In each of the following numbers, replace star by the smallest number to make it divisible by 3 and 9. Here we have 2 numbers. Example number A, 8 3 star 5 4. Example number B, 1 star 6 5. So here first we apply divisibility rule of 3, and divisibility rule of 3 say that if the sum of all digits is divisible by 3, so the whole number divisible by 3. Divisibility by 3. So first we had all the numbers 8 plus 3 plus 9. Here we take a space because first we add the other numbers, after that we add number which make this number divisible by 3, then 5 plus 4. Now first we add 8 plus 3 11 plus 5 16 plus 4 20. So here 20 is not divisible by 3, but 3 sevens are 21. 21 is divisible by 3. So here we write 1 and we get some 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. So here we write 83154. So the number 83,154 is divisible by 3. Now make this number divisible by 9. So divisibility by 9. So divisibility rule of 9 say that if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9, so the whole number divisible by 9. Number 83 star 54. So first we add this number 8 plus 3, and here we take space here, then 5 plus 4. The sum of these 4 digits is 20, and 20 is not divisible by 9, but 27, 3 sevens are 27, is divisible by 9. So here we take 7 here and we get some 27, and 27 is divisible by 9. So we take 83754. So 83,754 is divisible by 9, and in star replace this star by 7. Here we replace this star by 1, and here we replace this star by 7. So these both number divisible by 3 and 9. Now we take a next number 1 star 6 5. So here first we check divisibility by 3. First we add these 3 digits of this number 1, take a space here, 6 plus 5. So when we add these 3 numbers, 6 plus 5 11 plus 1 12, and 12 is also divisible by 3. 3 fours are 12. So here we take 0 here. So we replace this star by 0. So we write 1065. Now we check divisibility by 9. One plus, then we take a space here, and 5. Now 1 plus 6 7, and 7 and 5 12, and 12 is not divisible by 9 because 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18, but 18 is divisible by 9. So we take 6 here. 1 plus 6 7, and 7 and 6 13, and 13 plus 5 18. So we replace this star by 6, then the number divisible by 9, 1665. Students, here we will solve examples related to HCF. Here question number 1, using Euclid's algorithm find the HCF of 624 and 936. Euclid algorithm is also known as continued division method. So here we have dividend 936 and divisor 624. Now we start divide. (936) by 624. 624 divide 936 one time. So we write 624, then subtract these both numbers. 6 minus 4 2, 3 minus 2 1, and 9 minus 6 3. Now we divide this divisor, change into dividend here, and remainder we take as a divisor. Now 624, and 312 divide 624 in 2 times. 624. Now here 0. So this divisor is the HCF of these both number 624 and 936. So we get HCF of 624 and 936 is 312. Reduce 289 and 391 to the lowest term. We take a HCF of these both numbers, and after that we divide these both number by the HCF of these both number. So it reduces easily as compared to reduce and divide by 1 by 1. So first we find HCF of this number. So we use Euclid algorithm to find HCF of these both number. So here we take 289 as a divisor and 391 as dividend. So 289 divide 391 in 1 times. So 289. 11 minus 9 2, then 8 is left here. So 8 minus 8 0, then 3 minus 2 1. Now this divisor take a place here as a dividend 289 to give 204. Now we subtract 9 minus 4 5, then 8, then 0. Now 85 divide 102. Now we divide 85 by 17. So 17 5s are 85. So here 17 is the HCF of these both number. HCF of 289 and 391 is 17. Now we reduce 289 upon 391, so we divide 289 upon 391 by 17, and it give 17 divide 289 in 17 times and 17 divide 391 in 23 times. So when we reduce 289 and 391, it reduce and form 17 upon 23. Next example, this example related to LCM. Determine the lowest natural number which when divided by 16 and 28 leaves remainder 3 in each case. So here first we find LCM of 16 and 28. So LCM of 16 and 28. Now 16 and 28 divide by 2. 2 8 are 16, 2 1 are 2, and 2 4 are 8. Now again divide by 2, divide by 7, 7 1 are 7. So LCM of 16 and 28 is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and 7, and we get 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, and 16 7s are 112, and hence the required number which divide by both number and leave remainder 3. So hence the required number is 112 plus 3, and 112 plus 3 115. So if we divide 115 by 16 and 28, so it leave remainder, these both number leave remainder 3. In this example, find greatest number of 3 digits exactly divisible by 9 and 12. So here first we find LCM of 9 and 12. LCM of 9 and 12. Now we find LCM of 9 and 12. First we divide 9 and 12 by 2, write 9 as it is, and 2 6 are 12. Then again divide by 2, 2 3s are 6. Then divide by 3, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3, and 3 1s are 3. Now LCM of 9 and 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 3s are 36. So 36 is the LCM of 9 and 12. Now is 999. Now divide 999 by 36. 36. So first we divide 36, 2 is 72, 9 minus 2 7, and 9 minus 7 2. Now we take 9 here. So now 36 divide 279 7 times, 252. 9 minus 2 7, 7 minus 5 2, and 0. So here we get remainder 27. So now we subtract 999 minus 27. So we get 972. So the greatest 3 digits number which is divisible by 9 and 12 is 972. Dear students, here I give some questions related to above discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you, students.